Christmas is just around the corner, and the elves at Nate's Restorations are working hard to get your sleigh looking new again. And we're spreading Christmas cheer with our $250 Like New special. Let our elves save you money by completely detailing your sleigh and repairing minor interior cuts, tears, and scratches on leather, vinyl, and cloth. Come see us at Nate's Restorations today, where we guarantee you a high standard of excellence while providing a superior service to you. From all of us here at Nate's, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year!